Nano Babo Kabalin, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie. Welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products and services to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank O Detox, our official detox partner sa mga vlogs natin, guys. So, they sent us like half dozen of detox, concoction. Ayan, no? Check that out, guys. Let me just show them to you. Ayan, meron tayong mga O-Detox dito. So, every vlog, every end of the vlog, you will see me, drinking one of these. Dahil nga po sa inaraw-araw na pagbablog namin sa mga pagkain at iba-iba pang mga lugar na pinupuntahan namin. We also need to detox at the end of the day because, we want to keep our bodies healthy as possible. And one of them, guys, is, detoxing at the end of the day or even at the start of the day. Pwede rin naman sa mga, at the end of every meal. If you're interested to buy these detox juices or concoctions, we are flashing the fan page on your screens right now. Let's talk about some quick details about these. So the price ranges from 150 pesos to 200 pesos, depende yan sa flavor. More flavors are gonna be coming out this coming July. If you message them directly, guys, they can give you a promo, an introductory price probably. Kapag nag-order kayo ng 7 bottles, which is good for a daily detox for the whole week, they're gonna give you a slash. They're gonna give you a discount. The owner, is kind enough to deliver them free straight at your doorsteps. However, ang delivery natin, guys, from Wednesday to Saturday only. Make sure to schedule your orders on their fan page right now. So again, guys, we would like to thank O Detox. O Detox. Sabi dito, a healthy juice cleanse toxins away. Yeah, I need this. I need this everywhere, guys. Wow! What a refreshing drink, guys. Thanks so much for watching our vlog. Thank you so much, O Detox, for sponsoring our official detox refreshment for Where in Pampanga. Guys, thank you so much for watching our vlog. We hope to see you on the next one. Stay safe and have a detox. See you on the next vlog.